Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channels. Let's quickly cover Gala coin, Gala games. So Gala is, at the moment just in this, fall down scenario, but we can also build a case. It's getting this resistance, okay? If you want to look in the lower time frame, we can go in the lower, hide the indicators, and we can see how many times Gala has tried to break this resistance. Look at that. Okay, so this is a very crucial resistance. We have to break it in order to move to the upside. Okay, but you can also see that Gala is also getting support here. Okay, so I mean this is good. It's getting support. It's in this downwards channel because Gala has done this before as well, right over here, and then it just hangs around in this area. Okay, so now if you go to the, let me just take this off, keep that. Okay, if you go to the daily time frame, you can see Gala's support is right over here. Okay, but when Gala had this run, its support was right over here. Okay, but Gala never came to these levels. It just you know this level, it just hanged around over here until it had a breakout. Okay, now if you bring out the EMAs, you can see Gala was getting support from the 50 moving average. Okay, so we can assume that Gala can do something very similar, come all the way down to the 50 moving average and then have another go. The reason I say that is it can happen before as well. It might just find some support maybe at the 39 cents level. But look at this. Okay? If you just take out your Fibonacci and measure this move, you can clearly see here, right over here, this area. Okay, you can see here that Gala just hanged around between the 0.236 level and 0.382 level. Okay, and it was above the 55 moving average, and then it just moved to the upside. Okay, so that's a very good thing. Now we can build the same scenario for Gala over here. If we just measure this move, you can see that Gala is coming below the 0.236 level, okay, which sits at 0. Right over here. I'll just mark it for you. Okay, a little bit below. Yeah, about there. Okay, and then right over there is the support. We can just, that's the resistance now. Okay, if we zoom in, you can see over here 0.236 level and 0.382 level. That's where Gala was just having its accumulation done. Okay, until or unless it broke out. Okay, so you can see that it's coming very close to this Fibonacci level and where the 55 moving average is. Okay, we can build a scenario. It might just come here and then we can see some upwards movement. Now it also depends on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just doing something like this in this pattern right now, and then probably gonna go like that, and then Bitcoin needs to hold these levels. Its low is right over here, 46. Okay, so if it comes, it can also come back, retest, and go upwards. So this will make sense. So now Gala, um, if you look at the RSI, okay, the daily RSI. This is the support of Gala, okay? And you can clearly see support went up, came down, did its little consolidation right over here, and then, did something very similar, support, and then boom, went to the upside. Now it's coming back to its support, okay? And you can see where the stochastic RSI is bottomed out, okay? So you can build a case where Gala will either come back to this support or find support somewhere here, or here, but looks like it is coming down to that support level, okay, at the moment, okay? So we want to see Gala just, just Bring out the 100 moving average and the 200 moving averages. Print. Okay. We can see Gala do this, okay? Because what the RSI is saying and the stochastic, you know, just play in this pattern until or unless it breaks out, breaks the 0.382 level, the sense, and starts moving to the downside. Then the support is going to be somewhere below, okay? But if it respects the 55 moving average in the daily time frame and respects the 0.382 level, and it's in this falling wedge. So you have three different areas where you could just judge Gala's movement. Then there's a very good scenario that Gala will just, hang around in this channel and then break out somewhere because it is a falling wedge. Falling wedges are usually bullish patterns, and the psychology behind falling wedges are it creates falling wedges whenever there's accumulation. Then, a lot of buyers are trying to buy cheaper prices, and you can also see it was making this it's making this kind of pattern, so higher lows. So even if it breaks down, comes to the downside, that's okay, because if you measure this move, let me show you. Okay, if you measure this move, you can see that where it found support 0.5 level, and then twice it found that support. Okay, now even if it comes down until or unless it breaks this resistance line, which is a key resistance for Gala, okay, it can do something like this. If it comes down, hit over there, go up, hit over there. If it doesn't find support and Bitcoin is going down, it can do something like this. And then 0.618 level is coming here. And we have the 0. What level is this? 0.382 level. So it's going to be a good level where you can see some a reversal can take place. And you would know that in the hourly or the 30-minute time frame whenever if Gala gets here. I'm not saying it will, but it's respecting this whole pattern right now, okay? And Bitcoin is also going to the downside. So you can assume that Gala will come in this way or manner, and then you can look for bullish divergence in the RSI in the hourly whenever it comes in this area. If it comes, if it breaks this resistance and just wants to go to the upside, then the whole this scenario is invalidated. But if it breaks this resistance before it hits 0.5 again, or comes to the 0.5 and makes a reversal pattern, then more upside is coming. Okay, and you can also see whether where the RSI is right now, and this is the bottom for the RSI. Okay, so just keep an eye on this pattern, and hopefully, because falling wedges targets are at the top of the wedge. Okay, and market needs to take a reversal and just start moving to the upside. Just keep an eye on this 55, this resistance line, 0.618 level, and the support is at 0.382. Okay, it might come like that. I'll draw it again for you guys. Might do something like this, 0.618, and then try to break out from here, because you can see we do have support levels over here as well. Okay, and its previous low is this. Okay, and 55 moving average, where is it? Look at this. So 55 moving average can do something like this, creep up, while the 20 moving average is going to do something like this, and the cross will happen. And then this is going to be a key area for Gala. Okay, but thank you guys. Have a good day. This was a kind of a long one, but subscribe, like my channel if you want to just, uh, you like content like this. Okay, thank you so much.